Hello everyone, I'm Francesca and in my video today we are looking at this digraph that makes the sound E. If you are interested to know more about it, stay with me. S, E, sea. Fish live in the sea. P, E, pea. I want to put a pea plant in my garden. Tea. You always drink tea at breakfast. Beach. Sally went to the beach last Sunday. Each. They each received a present. Leap. The frog did a long leap. Leave. Don't leave your glasses on the table. Read. I often read books. Please. Can you pass me the pen, please? Speak. Do you speak French? Meat. I had meat for dinner. Leaf. What a colorful leaf. Stream. Where can we cross the stream? Now I'm going to read all these words one more time. Try to read them before I do. See. P. T. Beach. Each. Leap. Leave. Read. Please. Speak. Meet. Leaf. Stream. Thanks for watching.